The way organizations connect users to applications has fundamentally changed. Cloud adoption, hybrid work, and mobile access have dissolved the traditional network perimeter, replacing it with a highly distributed environment where users, devices, and data operate from anywhere. This shift demands a new approach to secure access, one built for flexibility, identity, and scale. But legacy perimeter-based security models can't keep up. Point solutions, VPNs, and static network controls create blind spots, increase complexity, and slow performance. Without consistent, identity-aware enforcement, organizations struggle to protect sensitive data while delivering fast, reliable access to modern applications. That's where Secure Access Service Edge, or SASE, and Zero Trust come in. Individually, each provides strong protection. SASE converges networking and security into a cloud-delivered model that enables secure, high-performance access wherever users work, while Zero Trust ensures every user, device, and connection is continuously verified. Together, they form a unified strategy that delivers consistent policy enforcement, reduced attack surfaces, and secure access without reliance on outdated perimeter defenses. And with the right partner, adopting SASE and Zero Trust becomes more manageable. A partner with the expertise to align architecture, identity, and access controls can help you build a modern security foundation, one that supports agility, performance, and resilience as your environment continues to evolve. Modern access, verified trust, secure everywhere. Partner with Connection.